5:25, good morning. Well, the deadline to file your income taxes is quickly approaching. So we're stretching your dollar this morning with what you need to know as you work to get them done by Monday. Tax day is coming up, which means you either have to file your taxes or an extension by midnight Monday.
You should note, though, that payments are due April 15th. So if you need an extension, that's just an extension to get the paperwork in. It doesn't shift your financial responsibility.
And penalties and interest will apply to late payments. Before sitting down to file last minute, gather documents that report your income, investment account statements, and any financial forms that show deductible expenses, like your home mortgage. You can use free or low-cost software to file on your own.
I'm actually of the mind that most people can do their taxes on their own. Software's come a long way in recent years. And, that's the key. You don't need to sit down with like a calculator and a pencil.
If you decide to use a professional tax preparer,
just make sure that you do your homework. Make sure that it's somebody who's going to be there after the 15th of April if you have any questions.
Anyone who prepares taxes for money must have a preparer tax identification number.
And they must sign that return and put their PTIN number, which you can go to irs.gov and look up, make sure that PTIN is correct and that matches that person's name.
There are some changes for this filing season compared to last year. Due to inflation, the IRS increased the standard deduction and tax brackets were adjusted. Under the Inflation Reduction Act, there are new clean vehicle credits that kick in this year.
New this year, you can get a credit for used electric vehicles of up to the lesser of 30% of the purchase price or $4,000.
And the home energy tax credits have been expanded.
So before there was a lifetime credit only, and that was up to $500. So you could only get that $500 in a lifetime. Now it's up to $1,200 per year.
And there's been a lot of talk about changes to the child tax credit, but as of right now, it's the same as last year. If the credit is expanded and your taxes are impacted, the IRS will just adjust your return and refund. So certainly don't wait to file, Keith.